Hiya, welcome. This is short, and that's the whole point. No mat, no flexibility, nothing to be good at. If you just pause your day and move a little, that already counts. Let's wake the body up. Reach both arms up tall, up on your toes if you can. Circle your wrists. Wiggle the fingers awake. Breathe. Now let them float all the way down and just dangle. Heavy and loose. Circle your wrists. Wiggle the fingers awake. Once more, up and down. Breathe in at the bottom and let it out slowly as you start to roll up. Stop partway back up, hands resting on your thighs, knees easy. Inhale here. Exhale. And slowly roll up one notch at a time. Head comes rolling up last. Don't forget to breathe, calm and deep. From here, let's go to a neck release. Float the head up and gently back. Roll it side to side, softly, lightly, just to get it loosened up. Then chin toward the chest and roll side to side again. Don't push, don't pull. Let it all be slow and mindful. Take another deep breath here. And now let's move into hula hips and circles. Arms out to the sides. Have fun with it. Sway side to side a few times each way. Feel graceful and lovely. Then hands on the hips and circle them. Slowly around a couple times each direction. Remember your breath. Keep it deep and slow. And now let's reach up into the swaying tree. Reach the arms up like branches in the wind and sway, loosening up your whole upper body. Gently count it out to 10. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let the body find its own rhythm. Take another nice deep breath and shake it out a little. And now we move into tree pose. Find a soft balance, eyes on a single point to steady you. One foot to the opposite shin or higher if you can. Hands folded at the heart. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wobbling is completely allowed. Then switch sides. Same soft balance. Other foot to the opposite leg. Hands at the heart. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe deeply after that. Nice job. From here, let's go to hero pose. Step the feet wide, front knee soft, back leg long. Reach the front arm out toward the horizon, the other hand in a fist at your waist. Gaze out. Doesn't this feel fun? Take a nice, deep breath. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the other side. Front knee soft, back leg long, front arm reaching out, other hand in a fist, gaze out. Take a nice deep breath. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we move into a low squat. Come to center and sit back into a low squat. Up on the toes first, then let the heels settle down toward the ground. If you can only come partway down, no worries. Put your hands down to balance. If you want to just sit down, that's fine too. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the body awake. Now just give yourself a moment. And know that was you. You showed up. Your body noticed, and hopefully you will move more easily through the day. Start small. Stand taller. Because a little is better than none. See you next time.